What's going on, YouTube? So in today's video, Christina's right down there actually. It's just kind of like a, I don't even know what video, but we got Zach with us. We got a Cameo printer. We're about to be making t-shirts for the giveaway that we announced yesterday. So, well, it's gonna be tomorrow, but I'm posting this video the day after tomorrow, so it is yesterday. On the 4th of July, so happy 4th of July to you guys. Christina just informed me on that.
4th of July, y'all.
Finn says it as well. So, we're gonna be printing t-shirts on a Cameo, what is it?
Silhouette Cameo 3.
So, that's what we're gonna be doing today.
You just want me to,
Is it rolling?
Yeah.
Oh. We got the first shirt done. Look at this. What do you guys think? This is the GX7 one. We're gonna be printing out 2 more, and then we're gonna be printing out a thrift store gold one, and Christina's gonna be modeling that one off. So we'll have that done in just, and there we go. She got her thrift store gold, just like that. So these are the 2 shirts that we're gonna be making. We're gonna just make them black and white like this for now, because we gotta obviously make them ourselves with our main man Zach's help. So these are our shirts. Now let's see what else we do during today's vlog.
Ooh, it's so cute, I love it.
A few moments later.
So now, this part of the day, we're gonna go for our daily walk with Finn right down there. So yeah, kind of like a boring day-ish, just kind of getting work done, just hanging out. Got our cool shirts though. Can't wait for the live stream tomorrow. Shout out to whoever won, because you guys are awesome for knowing the trivia questions that we had.
Yes.
We appreciate you.
The next day.
Okay, so it's the next day now. We already finished up our live stream, so shout out to the 6 people that have won. We really appreciate you all. We'll actually read a list of their names.
Cajun Resell, Grant West, Dominique Thomas, Thrifty Space Queen, Paulo the Four-Eyed Hustler, and Duncan VR.
So shout out to all of you for knowing our trivia questions and everything. And if you are bummed out that you missed out on getting a t-shirt, we will definitely be doing more giveaways with them in the future. So all you gotta do is just subscribe and stay within contact of us. I don't know. But yesterday we didn't really do much after that walk, so I actually ended up editing a new intro, just like a little one. So I'm gonna play it after this clip. Let us know what you guys think about that. But honestly, I don't think this video is gonna go much longer. No. So I know it was a very short video, but it was just, we want to do a little behind the scenes of our shirts. So that was our video. We hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to smash that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions you want to ask us, or you just want to share some love. And until tomorrow, till next video, peace.
Hope you had a happy 4th of July.
I was just about to say, have a great 4th of July.